Hi everyone, welcome back to another school year. I'm sure you guys are all excited to be in high school. However, I know this is not how you wanted to come back, but I am excited to get to know you, even if we have to do it virtually for a little while. And then eventually we're going to be able to come back together at some point in the year and hopefully do even more fun things. So this is our class homepage. You got to this from your Canvas dashboard. And all of these pictures down here are clickable links. And I'm going to kind of walk you through what each one does. All right, but before I do that, I just want to bring your attention up to this to-do list. This to-do list gives you all of the items that have due dates. All right, so those are important things. Means that those are things that need to be completed, but they're only the ones that have due dates. So it doesn't mean that it's the only thing that you have to do. To find out everything that you have to do for a week, you will use this link right here called the Current Learning module. All right, so let's click on the Current Learning module. It'll take us to the items that you guys need to complete for this week. And so this welcome video is actually posted right here. Welcome to Physical Science. And then you have a course survey. You'll click on this and take the course survey. Then you will read the course syllabus, sign up for Remind if you haven't already. And then finally, you're going to introduce yourself to the class using this thing called Padlet. And I'll come back to that in a little while. All right, so then if you want to go back to the home page, you just click on Home. You guys will have fewer items. So this is my teacher view, and you guys only have a handful of things over here. If you need to get a hold of me for any reason, you can use the Contact Me button. And you see me there. You can email me. You can go to my office hours. So here, if you need to meet with me on a Google Meet, you can choose one of these office hours that are available. So this is this Friday, but you can also go ahead to the next week. These are in 10-minute increments. So if you think that you're going to need longer than 10 minutes, we can combine a couple of these. All right, you guys have a second teacher in this class too. So you will also have Miss Perez, and she'll introduce herself on the Padlet to you guys, and her contact information is here as well. Actually, I should go back and say first, second, and third hour have a second teacher. Fifth and sixth period will be just me. All right, you guys will be keeping a notebook in this class. You should have picked up your composition notebook that looks something like this. And we made little marker packs for you because you're going to be doing some note taking. So this is a resource that you guys will be using throughout the year. And this is a place where you can see what should be on each page in your notebook, and there will be links in here to notes and other resources that you used for your notebook. All right, and then finally, I know that you guys will have questions about homework and probably lots of other things throughout the course of the year. You guys have a place here to post questions and get answers from your classmates and also from me. But this is primarily a forum for you guys to ask for help on an assignment, ask for help on how to do something or submit something, and for your classmates to help respond to that. All right, so if you have a question, go ahead and post it in here. This is something you guys should be checking in every once in a while to see if you can help out a classmate. All right, and then finally, how are we going to get together in real time as a class? Well, we're going to be meeting synchronously. So sync means together. So our all together class meeting link is right here. If you're wondering, when do we meet? Well, here's the bell schedule. So we click on that, and it'll take us to this bell schedule that you should already have access to. And it'll say if you're in first period, you need to click that synchronous link to join our class at 9 o'clock on Mondays and on Thursdays. Okay, so you guys will actually, that'll show up in your calendar too. So it'll show up in your to-do list as well as in the hub, your to-do list in the hub, right? So you can see right above my picture here on the to-do list, because I'm in the first period right now, synchronous class meeting. So if you click on that, it's going to take you to where you can get a link, or you can just click this link here. So this one will bring you to Google Meet. And when you're ready to join, you'll see my icon up here. And if you're in first, second, or third, you'll see Miss Perez's icon up here also, and maybe some of your classmates. It's important to make sure you mute yourself before you join. And you can keep your camera on or off. We're going to give you the option. However, we would really love to get to know you guys. We would love to have you participate in the class, be able to do thumbs up, thumbs down, and some other stuff. So if you can keep your camera on, that would be great. All right. So last thing we need to do is we're going to go back to this module and we're going to see how to create our Padlet. So this is kind of your assignment for this week after you've done all of this stuff. You're going to do a little about me on here, right? So you're going to introduce yourself, and you can make a video, or you can write a little bit about yourself, and you can add a picture to that. It can be a picture of you or something that's meaningful to you, and you can explain why it's meaningful. The whole point is to get to know each other. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this little plus icon down here. All right, and in the title spot, please put your name. All right, and you can write something about yourself here. Or what you can do if you want to get creative is you can click these little three dots and look at all these things you can do. You can upload from your computer if you have an app that you like to use to make something about yourself. You can search Google for images of something that's meaningful to you. You can take a picture from your webcam of yourself, or you can make a video, or you could just do a voice recording. Also, it's a place you can record your screen if you're doing something, like you want to take a screen clip of you playing a game that you really enjoy or something, or draw a picture. So lots of things that you can include to personalize this to help me and your classmates get to know you a little bit better. All right, so whatever you're comfortable sharing. And then up here, make sure that you use the name that you want your classmates to use, and me. All right, well, I hope that that was clear. If not, you'll be able to ask lots of questions when we meet each other face to face in our first synchronous class meeting, either tomorrow, Thursday, or on Friday. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you guys there. Bye-bye.